Hello, welcome to the Hefele installation video series. Let's learn the correct installation procedure for installing a surface mounted door closer. To help us, we have Kishore Singh, who will show us the exact installation procedure for installing a surface mounted door closer. So, happy learning!
Tools required to fix a door closer are the door closer, the template, a pencil, hammer, a foam chisel, cordless drill. Check the closer box for the fixing template. Now put the fixing template on the door using a double-sided tape or a sellotape. Identify the location at which the door closer needs to be fixed. This is done based on the power size of the door closer. Now mark the position of the fixing screws. Once the position has been marked, please remove the template. Now fix the door closer and door closer arm in the marked position. Now check if the speed of the door closer is correct. In case the speed is fast, then adjust the speed using the speed check valve. Now the door closer has been perfectly installed.
I hope now you know the correct installation procedure for fixing a surface mounted door closer. For many more such new videos, please log on to our website www.hefeleknowledge.com. Thank you.